Hi, I'm Ben Beatty, Chief Health and Wellness Officer here at BGSU with our weekly health and wellness update. Today we want to talk about our COVID-19 dashboard and the trends that we're seeing in COVID-19 cases. We've seen a significant increase in the number of cases in comparison to last week's dashboard. So we've seen a significant increase in students and still a very low level of cases in faculty or staff. And we're working to make sure that we identify positive cases as quickly as possible. And you can help us with that by staying home at the first sign of any symptoms and getting tested. We have testing widely available across campus through at-home testing, and every Tuesday and Thursday in the student union, we have testing on site as well. If you test positive, we want you to reach out to us and report it as soon as possible. You can do that through the COVID-19 hotline or through health@bgsu.edu. That allows us to respond very quickly and isolate individuals quickly to slow down the spread of this virus. At the same time, we want to remind everybody that we need to be wearing masks indoors. That's also going to really help to slow the spread of the virus. We'll continue to keep you updated on these case numbers over the next several weeks and any changes that we need to implement to combat COVID-19. Thank you for all that you're doing.